As human beings, throughout the year, we foster habits and we establish habits. One of them being the constant scrolling that we do on our phones. This is possibly why you are listening to this video. This is a reminder. And this is not to put anyone down. But these moments of Ramadan are very short. They are fleeting moments. Do not waste your time on social media. Open the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or make dhikr, or offer some nawafil prayers, some extra prayers. Use your time wisely. You don't know where the blessing and where the acceptance would be. We understand and we have read from the tafsir of Ibn Kathir that many of the Sahaba, they wished and they yearned to know that even one of their prayers was accepted. So imagine the state of us. Use your time wisely. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.